Hi, this question is taken from JEE Advanced 2019 from its first paper. So the question is from the topic probability and it is a MCQ based question. So it can have more than one correct answer. And you have to choose all the options which are correct without choosing any option which is not correct. So let us go ahead and solve this question. But before going through the solution, I would strongly recommend all of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. Okay. There are three bags B1, B2, B3. So we have bag B1, bag B2 and bag B3. B1 contains 5 red balls and 5 green balls. So this has 5 red balls, 5 green balls, and B2 contains 3 red balls and 5 green balls. And B3 contains 5 red and 3 green. Bags B1, B2, B3 have probabilities 3/10, 3/10 and 4/10 respectively of being chosen. So probability that a person chooses bag B1 is 3/10, and similarly probability for B2 being chosen is 3/10, and probability of B3 being chosen is 4/10. A bag is selected at random and a ball is chosen at random from the bag. Then which of the following statements are correct? So one bag is chosen at random and one ball is chosen at random from the bag. So let us go ahead with the options. So the first option says probability that the chosen ball is green given that selected bag is B3. Probability that the ball chosen is green given that the selected bag is B3. So this is conditional probability. So we have to find out this conditional probability. So what is the formula for P of G by B3? So that will be G intersection B3 by P of B3. P of G intersection B3. So you have to choose the bag B3 and also choose the green ball from that. So the bag B3 can be chosen with the probability 4/10, and probability of getting a green ball from that bag is 3/8 because there are 3 green balls and total 8 balls, and the probability of P of B3. So the probability that the bag B3 is chosen is 4/10. So this will be 3/8. So option A is correct. Now let us go ahead with second option. The probability that selected bag is B3 given that chosen ball is green. Probability that selected bag is B3 under the condition that the chosen ball is green. So this will be P of G intersection B3 by P of G. Alright. So now P of G intersection B3 will be, so you have to select a green ball from the third bag. So for that first you have to select B3. So that happens with probability 4/10, and probability of selecting green ball from that bag is 3/8. Now P of G. P of G is the probability of selecting green ball. There is no mention of any bag. So this green ball can be selected from either bag 1 or bag 2 or bag 3. So P of G, you can select a green ball from bag 1. So for that first you have to choose bag 1. That can be done with probability 3/10. And now you have to choose a green ball. So that can be done with probability 5/10. Next, probability of selecting bag 2 and probability of selecting green ball from bag 2. Similarly, probability of selecting bag 3 and probability of selecting green ball from that particular bag. Alright. So now this will be let us say 800 is the LCM. So 5 3s 15, 15 8s 120 plus 10 8s are 80 into 10. So this will be 150 plus 120. So that will be 240, 390 upon 800. So this will go here, 390 by 800. So this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. This 80 and this 80 gets cancelled. So that will be 12 by 39. So that is 3 4s 12 and 3 13s 39. So 4 by 13. So but it is given that it is the probability is 5 by 13. So this option is wrong. The probability that chosen ball is green. So they're asking for this probability, P of G. So we got P of G is 39 by 800. So this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. So this is 39 upon 80. So this is correct. Let us go with option D. The probability that selected bag is B3 given that chosen ball is green is equals to. So this we already have done. So they are asking for this probability. So that is 4 by 13. So they gave it as 3 by 10. So this option is also wrong. So your answer is 1 and 3. Option 1 and option 3.